Kajala Meghalaya kalayo ya kakupor ka basngautenan namar baka Shillong Medical College kalalong ka bapankre ban sdang no ya ka jing a jinghikai hakatayo bakhatdu jong nailur hadien bakalayo pediang ya ka letter of permission na ka National Medical Commission. Habapun bena ya ka ni ha ka laitrik nailur ka menteri katran ka kwat kya ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalaong baka ni ka long ka sngi ka ba komentam na ka benta ka sorkar Meghalaya. Ka menteri kalaong bangila yo ya ka jing menjur ban sedang no ya ka jing a jinghikai MBBS na ka samoy puli arjar arpasan hadu arpun rio na ka benta san pongut ki samla puli. Da kani ka jela menta kaladon hadu shispa South Seed MBBS san pawa Shillong Medical College bat kendai South Li haki ki jaga puli kum ka nigrums bat RIIMS. Ka Shillong Medical College ka de ka Brownfield project kabamut kan pendan kami ki hospital ki badan lupa kum ka Shillong Civil Hospital bat Ganesh Das Hospital kum ki hospital jinghikai. Kador by class labu tang lai pawajar snem kabakan thup ru ya ka by hostel kabalong kador ka bajambha na kabenta ki samla puli. Ka SMC kalapan create aki nohikai prangut ki professor khat nyongut ki associate professor arpasangut ki assistant professor bat ki wei ki nohikai ki babyang ban sedang ya ka jinghikai. Kakong amprin kala ong ru baka sorkar jela kanaya keren ru bat umentri rang bakdu kari Narendra Modi ban pelipat ba ya kanika medical college ka baningkong jong ka jela. Ka menteri kala pen itu ru ya ka Dr. Nicola Grace Lingdo yang rai kum ka director jong ka Shillong Medical College ka balapan pau ru ya ka jingla kloy ban trei na ka benta ka jela.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.
Today is a very, very joyful day for the Department of Health as well as the Government of Meghalaya because we have received information in writing and we have received a copy of the letter of permission sanctioned and notified by the NMC listing the Shillong Medical College as one of the colleges that have been approved by the NMC for functioning from this year's session, which is 25-26. Intake capacity of students is 50. We are now prepared for the starting of this session. We are also pleased to inform the candidates who have a wish and are qualified to apply for these MBBS seats as per the sanction of the government of Meghalaya, alongside with the counselling for the Shillong Medical College. Total number of seats received for the Shillong Medical College stands at 50. However, we are also happy to inform you that Meghalaya continues to get its quota from the pool of government sanctions. 94 number of seats have been allotted to the state of Meghalaya into various institutions, inclusive of institutions like Negrams, like RIMS Infant. So, in total, our students today who have a wish to study and pursue a career in MBBS have a better option. And this is important, a big game changer for the state of Meghalaya. And yes, most importantly, our students now will be totally bounded to function within the state of Meghalaya, thereby automatically also attending to this acute shortage of doctors in our government facilities across the state. The medical college now is also poised to begin the specialization courses, which will be rolled out as and when the medical college progresses forward. So again, we will be lucky that our own doctors can avail a career progression while being in government services. To clarify this confusion, the Shillong Medical College is a college which is referred to as a Brownfield college, which means that we already have existing hospitals within a radius of 8 to 12 kilometers approximately. 8 to 12 kilometers approximately. And these two hospitals automatically become the teaching hospitals of this medical college, which means that there was no need for us to raise a hospital from the ground just for the running or the teaching of this medical college. Now we've not even started the institute. It would be preemptive to believe that we will not have state-of-the-art teaching facilities. There is no doubt that it will take time for the Shillong Medical College to get the necessary grading in the All India pattern, but you cannot also presume that we will not be one of the best. We are starting, the journey is just starting now, and we are confident that we will be able to ensure quality, ensure excellence in our bid to teach. It is not about what the government of Meghalaya is doing. This is what is happening all across for all NEET qualified students.
It's called the NEET UG schedule.
Recently you admitted that there is a shortage of faculty. Can you tell us where does
We
it stand?
admitted that there was a shortage of faculty at that point of time, which was raised as one of the concerns by the NMC in its visit of inspection to the state of Meghalaya. However, we have progressed ahead and we are assuring not just the people of the state of Meghalaya. We have to qualify as per NMC norm. And NMC has given us the clearance and has listed the Shillong Medical College in the All India list of the NMC. So we will not qualify if there was any ambiguity in all of these matters. Year 1, anatomy, physiology, biochem. We have to ensure that faculty from these three main departments are available to teach the courses to the students. And we are at that stage now. Now you want to know how many professors there are? We need actually 8 professors. We already have 16 professors. Sorry, we need 16 professors. We already have 8 to begin the medical college. We need associate professors 23. We have already 20.
Associate is 20.
20
70.
And we already have 17. Assistant professors, we have 25 out of 25 already in position. Senior residents, out of the total of 23, we already have 21. And tutors and demonstrators, we need a total of 15 such experts. We already have 12. And we are now ongoing to strengthen this entire remaining shortfall. like I told you earlier, for a state as remote as Meghalaya. Fortunately, Shillong is not as remote. It is difficult to make all these posts available because we have to have a competitive scale of salary, competitive facilities for professors, competitive, everything is there. So a professor will only come if it is suitable for the professor. And hence, to bring them across has been one of the greatest challenge, which is why we are so grateful to the team of officers and the intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister, who made sure that we had the necessary essential teaching faculty at the first instance. And therefore today it is with great pride and honor that I will introduce you to the director of the Shillong Medical College. Madam herself is an experienced faculty, ENT surgeon at RIMS. Let her introduce herself so that you can ask the director all the detailed questions.
So my name is Dr. Nicola Karasalingdo Yangrai. I've been working for the last 24 years in Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. I'm an ENT surgeon. And when I heard about the Shillong Medical College, I thought I should come and serve my state and do a little bit whatever is required for the state. Because as ma'am has said, it's a Brownfield project. We need to make more, hostels, and then most probably next year we'll be taking more students. So it depends. There will be many things. It's a big challenge.
Where are the hostel facilities?
The hostel facilities are there for both the boys and the girls. It's there in Pasture Institute. We are working on it.
So I can tell you about the hostel because we have the old units which were earlier occupied by migrants. We have about 11 units, 12 units, proper quarters. So those we are designating and renovating as hostels. It's already near completion. Yeah, working.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.